Alright, I just picked myself up a fishing kayak. It is a NuCanoe in the Pursuit model. Came with the casting bar on the front, but the previous owner told me about one of the problems that is typical with these is the fishing rod holder tubes that are located right up in the front tend to become disconnected. So your fishing rods go up in here. There's a little holder here to hold them down. But when they go up in there, they're connected to the tubes up in the front, but these become disconnected. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to reconnect it into this piece right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all the screws out. Four of them with a gasket, and you can see even that gasket broke. Need to clean that up some, clean some silicone around the outside edge, and then those tubes fell down in there. So I'm going to pull those back out for right now. And what NuCanoe did here, you can see there's two wire ties on there and it feels like some silicone. But that connection isn't very solid. So I'm going to take these wire ties off there. They're just not, that's just not going to hold up over time. And what I'm going to use are two 1 to 2 inch hose clamps, stainless steel. I'll caulk around the edge of these with some silicone caulking, re-put that gasket on there. That gasket's broken, so I'll just leave the broken part up on top and put that back in. Put a small bead. And I'm using OC GSI 21. It's a gutter sealant and should work pretty well on this. Could also use a silicone on it as well. And I'll put links down at the bottom of the video again where you can buy this stuff. It's relatively inexpensive. Trying to chisel a little bit stiffer here. Force that opening. Into there. On there good and solid. Get that gasket lined up in there. And there you have it. Both are installed. And they're good and solidly connected now. Shouldn't have a problem with that again. You got more surface area with those clamps to hold it on.